Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make money with TikTok affiliate marketing. So I'm going to cover two types of affiliate marketing. The first one is going to be if you are the owner of the store, and the second one is going to be if you are going to be the one doing the affiliate promotion. For those who are still unfamiliar with the terms of affiliate, basically affiliate promotions allows you to promote other people's product, and all you have to do is create content about it, and then if you are joining in an affiliate program of some shop, they're going to give you a specific link for yourself, and if anyone buys the product through your link, you'll be able to get commission. And a TikTok shop, the commission differ depending on what product you're going to sell, and I'm going to show you later on the video on how it looks like. So first things first, there are several things that you're going to need to know. The first one is if you're going to be the one who owns the shop, you will need to create a business account on TikTok. And you can just go to TikTok business, you can search it on Google and then start creating your page from there, and then once you got it, you'll be able to take a look at the dashboard that looks like this. And on the top of the dashboard, you'll be able to see this affiliate marketing option. So you can go ahead and take a look at the home page, and what it does is that it's going to show you the creators list that has a pretty good engagement. So if you're trying to find someone to promote your content or to promote your product, but you don't want to pay them too much, you can use this affiliate program as one of your options for marketing. So you can see they have some recommended creator that I can contact if I want to work together with them. And what it does is that they're going to create content of my product on their page, and it's going to spread more awareness about my product. So when it comes to searching for creators, you can play around with the filter that appears right here. It's going to depend on what kind of product you're selling. Maybe you want to focus on the beauty, specifically on the makeup area. You can turn on the filter for it, and then they're going to show you some creator that are recommended to create that product. And you can also see the scale of followers that they have and the star rating for each profile. And then if you would like to work together with them, you can always send them a message or go straight to TikTok app on your phone and then DM them through there. Now I'm going to show you how to do TikTok affiliate if you're going to be the one who create the affiliating content. First things first, you're going to want to go into your TikTok account, and then you're going to find the arrow on the top right of your screen. Here you want to go to TikTok Studio, and then you want to go to TikTok Shop for Creator. Now there is one thing that you will need to know. In order to be an affiliator on TikTok, you're going to need a minimum amount of follower. Now the minimum amount of follower will differ depending on where you live. In my case, I needed 1,000 followers in order to be able to create affiliate content. If you're living in other country, there are possibilities where the minimum follower is going to be different than the one that I have, because there are some creators that I know that says that you will need a minimum amount of 5,000 followers. So make sure to check it on your own region, the amount of followers you will need in order to be an affiliator. But once you're done with the registering process, you'll be able to access this affiliate centers, and through here you'll be able to go to the product marketplace and start browsing the product you will want to sell through there. So here I am on my product marketplace. As you can see, I can take a look at the categories for the product that I will want to sell. So they have pet supplies, pet accessories, pet food, special clothing, then they have underwear, staples and cooking, etc. And I believe the categories that they were going to show you depends on your FYP. So if you like to take a look at pet content or maybe baking content, they're going to assume that you are interested in that area, and they're going to give the categories that are the most suitable to you according to your FYP. And if you don't know yet on what kind of product you will want to sell, you can always take a look at the other categories, such as this one's right here, which is fast selling products and then best selling product, so that you know that those products are what people are into recently. And then when trying to take a look at some product, you'll be able to see there are different prices. So the first one is the one with the black color, and then the second one is the one with the red or pink color. So the black color represents the price of the product, meanwhile the red color represent the amount of commission that you will get. So if anyone bought the product through your link or through your video, you'll be able to get that amount of commission. I personally would suggest you to try to take a look at some products that are not too expensive but would give you good commission. Now, I really like it if a shop allows me to get around 15% commission, especially if they also will give me a free samples, because it's going to make it easier for me to create an original content. And I think that kind of content is going to be more interesting in the eyes of the customers instead of the pre-made one. So if you're not sure which one of this product actually gives 15% commission or actually gives you free samples, you can always take a look at the free samples options right here. As you can see, this product right here has free samples because it actually stated over there. And if you take a look at the product, a pop-up will show up and it's going to give you the details of the affiliate price and the commissions that you'll be able to get. So this one's right here actually gives you 10% of commission rate. It has 92% positive ratings. This rating is also very important, so you have to make sure that you affiliate a product that has a good ratings, or else you can be the one getting the backlash, because people will be somehow disappointed even though it's not you who actually sells it, but you help promote it, so it could also go back to you. And this one also allows you to get free samples. However, take notes that not all shop will give you free samples, even though they do say that they will give you free samples. It's going to depend on the shop regulations. Maybe they have a minimum followers for a certain creator, so keep that in mind. And for now, I think I'm going to try to search for a pet product like this one's right here. This is a snack for a cat, and I think it has around 10%. Yeah, it has 10% commissions rate. So I'm going to go with 10 to 15%, and it has good rating, so it's really good. And if I would like to sell it through my page, all I have to do is click this add to showcase. And then I'm going to click on the shopping bag item or symbol. And as you can see, I got that product listed into my page. And if I would like to see the list of the product that I have currently on my page, I can just go back into my profile, and then I can just click on this shopping bag symbol, and it's going to show me all of the product that I'm currently selling on my page. And I can always create a sample video or a promotional video, and you will know that it is a promotional video if you see some things like this. So I'm gonna go and search for some video like this one's right here. You can see that it has the yellow basket symbol, and if you click on it, it's going to bring you into the page of the product. And then if anyone buys from the specific link of this creator, the creator that created the video is going to get commissions out of it. And if you would like to get your money through TikTok, again, you can go to the TikTok studio. And then if you take a look at the TikTok shop for creator, they're going to show you the amount of money that you get. So if you get a commission, you can withdraw it through this page right here. And that's basically it. That is how you can make money with TikTok affiliate. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.